Hi, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are in the world. You're welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick way of doing steak. So if you've never subscribed to this channel, please do well to like, subscribe, share these videos with all your friends. So I start with the steak or the burger. I put it in a frying pan, then I add some water, and then we covered it. We let it cook for a couple of minutes while we cut the onions, and we also added garlic to this. So feel free to add only garlic if you do not like so much onions, or only onions if you don't like garlic. So the choice is yours, but I like to use garlic and onions just because of the flavor that it gives. It kind of gives a taste that we like. And so why did I do this? Because my kids kind of wanted something lighter, something different, and they practically asked me for burger, but they don't want their burger just dried without anything in it. And in this burger I spiced it with spices. I use dehydrated onions and rosemary and Italian spices, a couple of spices I put in there. So feel free to put any kind of spice that you prefer for your cooking, based on your taste bud. So I also put some oregano. I put some turmeric. I think I put a little of curry, not too much, just a little bit, just to give it that taste, that rich taste. And after that we went on to let it fry together, just slightly. You don't have to fry it until it gets burnt, just slightly fry it and keep turning it. So once you feel that one side is well browned, then go ahead and turn it over so that you can cook the other side. Make sure to cook it on medium heat or even slow heat, depending on you. Afterwards you can now arrange it with some veggie, tomatoes, and if you like any kind of um, anything that you'd like to pour over, you feel free to do that. Some people use soy sauce, so feel free, and you can use mayonnaise also. So yeah, that's it. Please subscribe to our channel, like, share, and come again for more videos. So this is what I do for my family. Bye, see you next time.